Hola y bienvenidos otra vez a mi canal de YouTube Español por Dentro. Estoy aquí en un lugar muy animado donde se come muy bien y tengo una amiga conmigo que también ha estudiado español y está estudiando también. Vamos a hablar con ella y vamos a saber de ella dónde estamos y qué podemos comer aquí. Estamos aquí con Shreya, mi amiga Shreya. Hola Shreya, ¿cómo estás?
Hola a todos. Muy bien, Sereno. Muchas gracias para llamarme aquí.
Bueno, Shreya, es mi placer. Shreya es una amiga mía y también ha estudiado español, Shreya. Shreya, dime un poco sobre ti. ¿Qué estás estudiando?
Sí, yo estoy estudiante mástero en financia.
Okay, un máster en finanzas.
Máster en financia.
Sí. Qué bien. So, of course, Shreya had studied Spanish quite a few years ago. So, she's been a bit out of touch with it, but she still does try to ensure that she does keep in touch somehow. So, we'll shift the conversation to English. Shreya, tell us a little bit about your Spanish journey. When did you study, and what all did you study, and why did you start to study Spanish?
Right. So for me, I grew up in a household where international music was flooding all over, and my parents, they are huge fans of international pop, reggaeton, Latin pop, and I grew up loving Enrique Iglesias. So naturally, when I went to do my undergrad, we had a choice of doing a master. We had a mandatory foreign language course. So initially, I had taken German because I am also an engineer, and like all engineers, we all go to Germany. So why not German, right? So one day I remember just going to pick up one of my friends from my Spanish class, and I just remember the profesora, teaching them buenos dias, buenas tardes, hola, and I thought I should be in the class, right? Because that's what happens when you find something that you're truly passionate about, and that's what happened with me. And then I switched. So for 4 years I've learned Spanish, right? And I practiced a lot. I remember just being top of my class, and one of those subjects when you're studying but you don't feel like you're studying, and I aced it, and I had put in a lot of hard work in mugging up the tenses and how certain pronunciations are going to be there, how to pronounce the tilde, and I'm kind of out of touch, but it's one of those things that have brought me immense joy.
Absolutely. So this is just the beginning, Shreya. I'm sure we're going to have many more videos, and I would love you to please talk to me in Spanish next time we have the video. Yeah.
Sí, por supuesto, Sereno.
Por supuesto. Okay, Shreya, also, so I was telling my viewers at the beginning of this video that I'm here at a place which is known for its eatery. So where are we right now, and what can we expect to eat in this place? Firstly, tell us the name of this place.
Right. So everybody, we are at the clock tower of Harinagar. You can see the clock tower right behind me. Parking area. So for years, this place is known for having a lot of carts. Like Delhi, us, we are foodies, right? So every evening there are massive hordes of carts here selling everything from momos to pav bhaji to vada pav to kebabs. Now it's winter, so there are a lot of shops here selling chicken soup. There are pizza carts, and now this has been a very popular place. But now what the government has done, that they are shifting these carts to places where they officially can be, staying there, and there's not a lot of crowd in the places, right? So they all have shifted into a basement, and we came here to try something which is very popular, which are the momos. But I think
the momo shop here, it's closed here.
Yeah. And I've made a video and made a small reel about it a few months back. The momos here are yum. But we are going to try Mahesh Bhaiya's burger.
Yeah. So we have Mahesh Bhaiya's burger here, which Shreya, we both have had since our childhood, it seems. Yeah.
I remember my dad used to bring these for me, and like after school in the evening, this was like the go-to snack. And these are the fried burgers, right? Sidimo, tell us more about it.
Right, no, so so I think firstly we'll ask Mahesh Bhaiya himself what all he does and what are the ingredients. But before we go to that, Shreya, what is your Insta handle and your YouTube channel that people should follow?
Right, so like Sidimo, I'm also a foodie, and my Insta handle is called the OG Momo Girl, and my YouTube handle is the same, OG Momo Girl.
Okay, so please do follow OG Momo Girl. Now we're going to try some of Mahesh Bhaiya's burgers. So see you in the next video.